Hi. Today we're going to talk a little bit about why your organization may or may not choose Salesforce as its CRM, Customer Relation Management platform. And we're going to really focus in on two main reasons why you might choose Salesforce. The first is price. As a nonprofit, you want the best price on everything because your dollars need to go towards your mission. And so any software platform that you pay for really needs to justify its cost. Salesforce is pretty good in this regard in that they give every nonprofit and every 501c3 or 501c4 organization 10 free user licenses to their fully functional enterprise level platform. Now, that's pretty awesome because normally those licenses for a for-profit organization cost $150 per user per month. So you're getting up to a $1,500 a month software for free. And if you go beyond those first 10 users, they still give you a really big discount. So instead of $150 for each additional user after those 10, they only charge you $36 per user per month, which is pretty on par with a lot of other CRMs that you might be looking at anyway. The other side of the coin is capacity and capability. Salesforce is second to none when it comes to its capacity to do lots of things for your nonprofit. It can not just track your donations, your donors, your stakeholders, your programs, your events, but it can automate a lot of processes to save you and your team time. So that's a really great reason to choose Salesforce for your CRM. If your organization is fairly small still, looking to start a new CRM, and they're looking for really something that's going to provide a lot of capacity with a small amount of price, Salesforce is the way to go. So who might Salesforce not be for? If your organization is tracking really simple things, if you are using a spreadsheet and you've only got a couple of tables and none of your tables have more than maybe 100 records, realistically, Salesforce is probably overkill for you. If you don't have a bunch of processes that you want to automate or reports that you need to create on a consistent basis that need to be updated easily, Salesforce, again, is probably overkill for you. So if you're not tracking much data or you don't have a very advanced use case, Salesforce probably isn't a good choice for you. But if you are tracking a lot of data, or you think you might be tracking a lot of data as your nonprofit grows, and you need a lot of functionality that can scale with your organization, then Salesforce is a great choice. And we're going to dive a little bit more into that capacity in future videos. So thanks so much for watching. Go make some awesome impact today.